Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Court to hear Nnamdi Kanus fundamental rights suit today. Court to hear Nnamdi Kanus fundamental rights suit today. To my dear listeners, from wherever you are listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news. A federal high court sitting in Umuahia, Abia State, is set to hear the fundamental rights enforcement suit filed by the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu. Justice Evelyn Anyadike will preside over the first hearing of the case on Friday, Kanu's lawyer, Aloy Ejimako, said in a statement. The IPOB leader in the suit is seeking for declarations and orders of the court respectively over his arrest in Kenya and extradition back to the country. In one of the declarations, he wants the court to hold that his arrest in Kenya without due process of law is illegal, unlawful, and unconstitutional. Kanu also sought an order of injunction restraining and prohibiting the federal government from taking any further step in any criminal prosecution against him. Nnamdi Kanu approaches Federal High Court, Umuahia, to enforce his fundamental rights against unlawful expulsion. Today, 25th March 2022, on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu, I am leading a team of lawyers at the first hearing of the fundamental rights enforcement suit I had brought before the Umuahia Division of the Federal High Court. The matter lies before Justice Evelyn Anyadike. The suit is sui generis and primarily aimed at redressing the infamous unlawful expulsion or extraordinary rendition of Nnamdi Kanu, which is a clear violation of his fundamental rights under Article 12(4) of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. In addition to the rendition, I am asking the court to redress the myriad violations that came with the rendition, such as the torture, the unlawful detention, and the denial of his right to the fair hearing required by law before anybody is expelled from one country to the other. You will recall that on 19th January 2022, the High Court of Abia State determined that portion of violation of Kanu's fundamental right that occurred in 2017, even as I had made claims that bordered on rendition. The court declined jurisdiction on grounds that rendition being related to extradition lies within the exclusive jurisdiction of the Federal High Court. So this instant suit is as a result of my considered decision that a fresh action before the Federal High Court will be the best route towards addressing this matter of rendition or unlawful expulsion and its illegal impact on the prosecutorial powers of the Nigerian state. To be sure, the extraordinary rendition of Nnamdi Kanu triggered legal injuries that cut across multiple jurisdictions, both inside Nigeria and abroad. There are now new legal and even diplomatic issues that must be addressed in the United Kingdom, Kenya, the United Nations, and the African Union. And within Nigeria, the rendition has expanded the matter of far beyond the realms of the trial that lies in Abuja. I would like to seize the opportunity to express my profound appreciation to the highly competent and professional team of lawyers that I am leading in the aggressive prosecution of this complex suit. Special mention must be made of Barristers Patrick Agazi, Ohaitu Uwazi, and Mandela Umedborogu. The specific reliefs I requested in the suit are as follows. 1. A declaration that the arrest of the applicant in Kenya by the respondent agent without due process of law is arbitrary, and the respondent enforced the disappearance of the applicant for 8 days and their refusal to produce the applicant before a Kenyan court for the purpose of applicant extradition are illegal, unlawful, unconstitutional, and amount to infringement of the applicant's fundamental right against arbitrary